It's all I want for Christmas. It's all I want for Christmas. Every year we pack up all the things we own, and we drive across the country to a place called home. And the traffic's heavy and my mood is slow, till I see those trees that I used to know. From the gardens lights to the baby's cry, as I see the light flashing before my eyes. Though the faces change and the voices fade, but there's something about this place that always stays the same. And it's all I want for Christmas. 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 And there's magic in this house.